Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to allow only specific people to call you on Telegram using the new update on the PC version of the app. If you want full control over who can reach you through voice calls, this guide will be really helpful. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is launched, look at the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see three stacked lines, often called the menu button. Click on those three lines to open the main menu. Next, from that menu, go down and select Settings. This is where you can manage all of your personal preferences on Telegram. Inside Settings, click on the section called Privacy and Security. This is the area where you can customize who can interact with you across different features of the app. Now, scroll until you find the option labeled Calls. Go ahead and click on it. At this stage, you'll have several options for who can call you. To completely control who is able to reach you, choose Nobody. What this does is block all incoming calls by default, meaning no one can call you unless you allow them. Once you've set it to Nobody, look for the option right next to Always Allow. You'll see a button that says Add Users. Click on it, and a list of your contacts will appear. From here, select the people you want to give calling access to. You can pick one person or a few, depending on your needs. When you're done selecting, simply click Save. After saving, Telegram may ask you to confirm your choices, confirm the step, and your settings will be updated right away. From now on, only the people you specifically selected will be able to call you, while everyone else will be blocked automatically. And that's it. You now have total control over who can reach you with calls on Telegram, making your experience more private and focused. If you found this guide useful, make sure to adjust your settings exactly the way you want, and enjoy a more personalized Telegram experience.